Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make video blurry on Capcut. Let's get to it. Open your Capcut app on your Android phone. Then you have to import your video that you want to make it blurry on Capcut. And here I have imported my video, and we're going to make this video blurry. Alright, the first thing we should do to make this video blurry is we have to click on Effects option right here. Then choose video effects. After that, you can search for blur effect. You can click on this search button, then search for blur. Alright, and there are a lot of options for you. For example, I'm going to choose this hazy effect. Just click on it and wait for a moment, and after that we can go back to our video to see the effect, but don't forget to click on this check mark after you choose the effect that you like, and we can adjust the length like this. All right, and let's check it together. Okay guys, that's how we can make our video blurry on Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.